Yes, of course! Yes, Harry Potter Jr. Don't you remember from the 1986 movie Troll? Oh, it's my favorite. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh. Need some milk. Hey, how's it going? It's your boy. Back at it again with another original, unique, hilarious idea.
I don't like spiders or drinking soda. I hope to get past the not liking spiders part because it's not really their fault that they scare me. And the soda thing, well, that's a long story.
The soda thing is a long story. I want to know more about the soda thing. Tell me, Barbie, about the soda thing. Tell me.
Bless you.
You may be familiar with this game before. It has a lot of similarities to older games, but it has a lot of new features, like quests, different abilities. This game has 3 different skills, boosters. You can play multiplayer with your friends, ratings, meta game artifacts, hell yeah. And the best part, you can select custom skins. Is that supposed to be me? Hell yeah. The best part! The best part! The best part! Best part! Best part! Best part!